Karma is the bondage created in you by your commission or omission of certain acts, which is incomplete with your own cognition about life. Now, how will you liberate yourself from this karma, free yourself from this karma? I tell you, when you decide for life, automatically your laziness disappears, boredom disappears. Again and again and again, tirelessly standing up. Secularism in India should be respecting all the great things from all religion, not discarding all religions, respecting all the religions, spiritual traditions as unique. Now I am reinventing myself and updating myself. All spiritual traditions are unique. All spiritual components of religions are unique. And they should all be respected as sacred.
The Ananda Radha with the deities of Nityanandeshwara, Nityanandeshwari and Swamiji's Gurumurti graced Bangalore recently. Devotees received the Utsav Murtis with traditional respects and offered puja and worship. It is said that deities come out in procession out of deep love and compassion to the human beings to bless those who could not make it to the temple. Many, including pregnant mothers, kids, the elderly and passers-by, had darshan and received arati, healing and blessings.
If you take the life incident of Harishchandra, King Harishchandra, if you see at first his kingdom was been removed from him, then his wife, and at last he himself was working for someone as a slave. So in that case, in all this situation, he only decided for his life. He took his life as dharma, and is only living based on dharma. Whatever is dharma, he only lived on that. And only because of that, it made him expanded, and whatever he lost from his life, he got the whole thing back.
From my experience, before I used to feel that no one's listening, and just because of that powerlessness which I had inside, I tried to control people outside. Because I was not strong inside and I was powerless, I started controlling outside. I think that hard power is just that. Just feeling powerless inside, empty inside, and try to control outside.
When we keep doing something out of hard power, we ourselves become insensitive.